Hi guys, we're back again, Chaley. If today is your first time on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your friends. So guys, I am at a place called the Laughing Goat. Guys, that's the name of the place, and it's 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 like a lodge, it's like a guest house, it's not a hotel. The aesthetic of this place is beautiful, and it's a very small place, very close to Busua. So it's about 2 minutes walk to Busua. So when you're around Busua and you would want to spend the night here, here's also a cool place. I love the place. It's very cool, very calm, and there are no ACs in the room though. So let's go right into the video. You got to let it go. 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 You are welcome to the Laughing Goat. The Laughing Goat is located in Busua, about 6 hour 20 minutes drive from Accra. The plan was to actually settle at Busua Beach Resort, but the place was fully booked, so we found the place nearby, which is about 2 minutes walk from Busua Beach Resort. Let's see how the place looks like. So guys, this is going to be my room for tonight. This is a cute washroom and a cute bed. I've already settled in with a fan. It's pretty dark outside now, but I'm sure you're going to see the view tomorrow. My room last night I already showed you, and I like the aesthetics of this place. Look at this pretty little painting. I am ready. The bed is all messed up, but I am ready to leave. And guys, what kills me is the old mirror we always use in our houses with this beautiful piece. And this is how outside looks like. This place is very affordable. This is their menu, and the food is between 15, 16 cedis for breakfast. And this is very cool. Guys, I love the fact that it has an outdoor shower here, and I took pictures this morning though. So guys, while walking to the car, I spotted these kids fetching water from the well. Mo, what to say? Do you speak English?
Yes.
Okay, how are you? And this is the well, guys. This is where their source of water.
Yes.
Oh, one bucket is in it.
Yes.
Oh, the water is very clean. Let me see. Bring it up. Guys, look at how clean the water is. Very fresh.
So in this area, we use clean water.
In this area, everybody uses clean water. So this is the water everybody uses?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And there's one water there.
Okay. It's also a well?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's beautiful.
It's also very clean.
Very clean.
Yes.
It's very clean. Is it salty? Let me see if it's salty.
No,
Oh, it's not salty. Wow. The only thing about this place is, because of where it's located, you can't park your car in front of the Laughing Goat. That's the name of the place. And so it's just about a minute walk, and this is where you can park your car. So I am finally at I'm finally leaving. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. This was a very short tour here because I didn't have breakfast here, I didn't have lunch here, I didn't have dinner here. I just came to sleep and then continue my journey back to Accra. So guys, here the room costs 165 cedis and the food is relatively cheap. It's 20 cedis, 25, 15 cedis, and the same applies to dinner and lunch. Breakfast is from 10 cedis, 15 cedis and above. And so this is the atmosphere here, and it's very calm. Opposite it is also a football park. I got here last night and it's been amazing. And so this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed your time watching me as much as I enjoyed being with you. Until next time, I love you all. Anyway, let me know in the comment section, is this a place you would like to spend a short time? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.